What if I told you that there's a quiet but growing corner of the internet where people are making a steady side income by creating simple child-friendly resources? I'm not talking about apps or complicated tech products. I am talking about printable resources that parents, teachers, and homeschoolers already use every single day. And there is a lot of demand for these things, but high quality material is still surprisingly limited, which creates an opportunity for people who are willing to create these resources properly. And the best thing about it is these resources are not just useful, they are also scalable. You create the product once, you upload it as a digital download file, and it can sell repeatedly without extra work. You don't need to be a designer, you don't need to be a qualified teacher or particularly tech savvy, because tools like Canva or Kittle will make the design side easy for beginners. But the real value in these resources will come from how you structure it and whether you solve a real problem for parents and educators. So in this video, I am going to walk through a step-by-step process of creating an activity worksheet that you can turn into a product and sell online. Hey, my name is Byte Jones. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you give the video a like, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Thank you very much. So the worksheets we're talking about here are not just some random coloring pages. They need to combine three elements. They need to have a simple learning task, a clear instruction, and a short supportive affirmation. This will turn your worksheet into something more valuable than just an activity. It becomes a tool that supports learning, emotional regulation, confidence, and routine, which is exactly what parents and teachers are searching for every single day. Now, before you design anything, you need to be clear about who the worksheets are for. Now, a strong starting point for the UK market is children aged 4 to 8, which covers early years and key stage 1. And that's because parents actively search for printable resources to support their children's learning at home, especially ones that feel calm, structured, and purposeful. And believe me, I am a parent and I look for these things every single day. So if you're a parent, you know. Now, you might want to focus on things like early math. In my house, math is a big problem. But you can focus on things like fine motor skills as well. Emotions, that one is a problem as well in my house. But it could be things like routines or just confidence building. Oh, and you can also design resources that are supportive for different learning styles, like neurodiverse children. And obviously, you don't want to be making any medical claims here. So make sure that you're being as clear as you can. Once you've chosen your focus, plan your worksheets as a small bundle rather than a single page. And that's because single worksheets will rarely sell well on their own, but bundles will feel a lot more valuable. Now, a good first product is around 20 pages. That will be enough to justify the price without it feeling overwhelming to create. Now, each page should follow a simple structure. Start with a clear title so that the adult instantly understands the purpose of the activity. You should also include a short instruction written in child-friendly language, because obviously we're making this for children. Now, the center of the page should be the activity itself, such as matching, tracing, counting, or sorting. Now, at the bottom, this is where you're going to add your short affirmation. Now, for example, we can add something like, I am capable and confident, or something like, I am brave and I am strong. You want to add positive things to the page. Now, these affirmations may seem simple and small, but trust me, they will significantly increase the perceived value of the worksheet. Now, there are two efficient ways to create these activities. The first is to use existing worksheet templates inside tools like Canva or Kittle. You just need to go and search for activity worksheets on any one of these platforms. Choose a template that's close to the one that you want and customize it by changing the text, the colors, the images, and the affirmations so that the final result feels original and cohesive. To add your affirmations, you can use any AI tool to do this, like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. To come up with ideas for affirmations, simply use a prompt like this one. Give me ideal affirmations to add to a coloring activity page template for children aged 4 to 8 years old. Now, as you can see, as the AI returns some results, I can use a tool like Canva. I could then just copy and paste the affirmation at the bottom of the worksheet and style it how I want. Now, the second method, we're going to use more AI to do this. So we're going to use an AI chat tool to generate activity ideas, the instructions, and even the affirmations as we did before. Now, for example, I am going to type into ChatGPT here, give me 5 activity page ideas for kids 4 to 8 years old with matching affirmations. Also, provide an AI image generation prompt for each page with affirmations and instruction text. Then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take the image generation prompt and I'm going to use Nano Banana AI, which is the AI tool from Google, to create my worksheet because I really like the images that this AI tool generates. And these were some of the worksheets that I was able to generate with the prompt that I got from ChatGPT. Now you can tweak and style them as you want. And once you're happy with your worksheet, you will just need to create a cover. Now the cover is going to be crucial, especially on marketplaces like Etsy, because it should clearly show what the product is, the age range, and what's included. On the cover, you're going to use a title to communicate the benefit immediately. And you can use AI tools to generate both the titles and the cover images for you. Now, here is an example of a cover I was able to generate using Nano Banana using a simple prompt like this one on the screen here. Now, the next thing you want to do is to export your final bundle as a PDF because the PDF format will preserve the layout and it will print really well. Now, before uploading, make sure you zoom in and check the quality and the spacing, and if possible, print a page at home so you can catch any problems before you start selling your product. Now, speaking of selling, to sell this product, the most beginner-friendly platform is going to be Etsy. You can upload your PDF, create a listing, and Etsy automatically delivers the file to the customer after they've purchased. Now, for a 20-page worksheet bundle, prices typically range from around £5 to £15, depending on the quality and the niche. Another platform that you can use is Gumroad, especially if you already have an online audience. You can also use platforms like Teachers Pay Teachers. This works really well for educator-focused resources. And if you want to print a physical product, then you can try Amazon KDB, and this also provides you with additional formatting as well. In terms of income, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Most people who start this will start slowly, and the momentum will build over time as you create more products and as you understand what your audience really wants. Some sellers earn anywhere from a few £100s and others will earn a lot more. The key advantage is the work and the sales will compound over time. Now, what separates worksheets that sell really well from those that don't is the usefulness and the clarity. Parents and teachers are looking for resources that solve a problem and are easy to use. If your worksheets are thoughtful and are clearly described, then you will have a product with some real income potential. Now, this is one of the rare online business ideas that doesn't rely on trends or constantly posting. Children will always need support, and parents are always looking for tools, and printable resources will continue to have a place. So if you approach this properly, you can build a meaningful product and a steady income at the same time. If you like the video, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Big up yourself.